Meet Sandy. She's a recruiter for a nationally recognized direct selling company. She believes she offers a fantastic business opportunity for anyone interested in health and nutritional products. She's tried to connect with suitable candidates using many different methods, from using Facebook to posting ads online, but she continues to struggle when searching for the right people for her opportunity. Then one day, Sandy was referred to Noors.com, a company built by entrepreneurs for entrepreneurs. She immediately saw the potential it had to solve one of her biggest challenges in growing her business. Here's how it works. For just $99, Sandy created her provider profile and soon began receiving connection requests from other members interested in her company. She also posted an offer that specifically explained what her business opportunity was about and who it was intended for, right down to the city and the type of entrepreneur she was hoping to meet. While she waited for responses, she proactively searched the profiles of entrepreneurs she felt would do well in her business. She sent them proposals and was able to connect with some of them using a private meeting room where they exchanged files and messages until they mutually decided to meet in person. Then Sandy decided to create and post a webinar event where she could share her company, products, and opportunity with the entire Noors community. She simply uploaded her slides and documents and instantly shared them with everyone on the day of the presentation with the click of a button. Participants were able to interact with Sandy and ask questions about her business. She found the webinar tool to be extremely simple to use, and after the presentation, Noors automatically connected Sandy with every participant. Now she has over 40 interested entrepreneurs to follow up with. Sandy is now a full-time user of the Noors services and has upgraded her account several times in order to obtain more credits to conduct additional webinars and directly connect with more aspiring entrepreneurs. If you're like Sandy, let Noors help you get started on the road to growing your business. Click on the sign up button below and get started today.